Hello everyone, I am Nada Angelina. I am the founder and designer behind Marquee Innovations, who create all kind of gift products. I needed to develop a whole way of manufacturing, so finding a perfect partner and a perfect manufacturer is extremely important for me. I found SHUNSTONE. It is an amazing partner of all the time because they are very professional and supply not only products but very good experience, always with very good and helpful manner. They have been very supportive and responsive to our requirements in my little company. They have very good quality in our glasses orders. We got very good feedback from my clients who like my products, and I sell them very fast. They order over and over again. The products are described, I describe the product, they deliver it on time and as agreed. I rarely have any remarks, and sometimes I don't have any remarks. It is very important that we have a contract with our clients, the timing. So SHUNSTONE fulfills the delivery time according to my needs. The clients are very satisfied with the quality. And I would like to point out that Amy sent me videos from the beginning, okay, such as design, the quality, the quantity, the container loading, which is clear for every step for me to make a decision and to be assured that it is secured and I'm going to get my delivery and my shipment on time and for real. I order over and over again with SHUNSTONE. For now, it's been over 6 years. I really like to do business with SHUNSTONE, a team. They are very friendly, very nice, and it's very important that they communicate very efficiently with me. Thank you for watching, and I hope if you are looking for a gift supplier and manufacturer, just go to SHUNSTONE. They are amazing and I highly recommend them. Thank you for watching.